This is one way to repair a hole in the wall. These holes are from a door being slammed open and poking through the wall. So you see the doorknob lines right up with the hole. You can see from prior repairs also. But because this has been a repetitive problem, I put a 2x4 behind the wall. That's just a garbage bag, quick, easy drop cloth, disposable. Keeps the dust and drywall, from getting all over the apartment. Square off the hole, get it nice and square. Peel back the paper around the hole. Place a 2x4 between the studs. Some good 3-inch drywall screws to hold it in place. Make sure the doorknob lines up with the 2x4. Cut your piece of drywall, get it in the hole, screw it in place. You see I peeled back paper around the old opening. These is 2 different holes and 2 different walls. Now I'm starting to put the tape over the crack. I put a little mud on and I put the paper tape in place. Just keep smoothing it out, adding more drywall mud. The more you work the mud, the easier and smoother it becomes. So that's what it looks like right now. This is while it's still wet and needs to dry. You can see some blade lines in there, but overall it's smooth and feathered out. This is a sanding sponge. Very flexible, it makes quick work of sanding off the repair. They come in different sizes. Fine, coarse, medium. I generally just use the medium. There's the wall sanded. Nice and smooth. There it is painted. Paint's still a little wet. It'll blend right in. That's just a plastic disc I put to keep the doorknob from denting the wall.